Hi, I'm sorry. I've been talking for 1 hour without pushing this button, so oh my goodness. This is hilarious. I have to take a break. I've been talking for 1 hour without pushing this play button. Oh my goodness, what a stupid man I am. This is hilarious. I hope God is laughing at me. Angels, Jesus, saints. Yeah, laugh at me, okay? Haha. We'll take a break and I regurgitate what I said, okay? God, why? You're so horrible. We, I'll regurgitate what I said, okay? So I give you a summary, all right? Okay. Oh man. Okay, we're back. I've been talking for maybe 30 minutes without pushing this record button. So none of it got recorded. So you wanna see me perform? Then invite me, okay? To speeches, whatever Q&A, comment session. Yeah, go ahead and invite me. Otherwise, you're not gonna see it. Okay, I'm just. Yes, I am teasing you. Yeah, go ahead and invite me. I come, okay? Or I attend if you are out of state. I will attend by Skype, whatever. Okay. Is it getting choppy again? I hope not. This computer is so old. It could be older than you. Okay. Whatever. But it's only 5 minutes so far now, so I'm not willing to stop and restart. Okay. So if it does get recorded, so be it. I don't give a fuck. Whatever. Alright, so I'm not going to regurgitate what I said. Alright, we'll just do mathematics. Okay? Because I talk enough politics. So I'm fed up. Okay? So let's diversify our metaphysical diet and do some mathematics. Okay? Okay. You ready? We're going to explore this brand new concept of morphological functions. Okay? Why? Because something new. It does deserve our attention. Morphological functions. Morphological transformation functions. Okay? Morphological transformation. Okay? Yeah, morphology is a branch in linguistics. It's about spelling of a word as opposed to phonology, which is about pronunciation of the word. Okay, and also, yeah, there are in linguistics. I think it's a very fascinating field, fascinating discipline, linguistics. Okay, yeah, there you have semantics, syntax, grammar, and then you have what. I was confused between epistemology, which is philosophy, right, and etiology, which is like medical science, pathology, right, etiology, and then etymology, that's about origin of this word, that's linguistics. Okay, so yeah, the Juari words. Okay, so yeah, I scored 100% in Juari, except for the essay because I got 5.5 out of 6. And because I ran out of time, so I couldn't finish the last sentence in this GRE, graduate record exam. Okay, so but verbal, quantitative, yeah, I got 100%. Because I studied for a very long time for GRE exam when I was undergrad. Okay, so anyway, okay, morphological function. Okay, we can. So yeah, let's say it's function m of some a. We can define it as 1 plus 1 plus blah 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 plus 1. Okay, which is also a, right? So that's by definition. Okay, so how many times? 8 times. Okay. What is morphological function? Well, we specify what kind of form, what kind of morph, shape it will take. Because 3 is 1 plus 1 plus 1, or 3 plus 0, or 2 plus 1, right? There's so many different forms, but morphological function, morphological algebra, okay, we care about what it looks like. We don't care about this mathematical equivalence. We care about form. We don't care too much about substance. Okay, so it's very superficial kind of Okay, but we are against cosmetic surgery. I mean, if you are in a car accident or you have some scar, yeah, then reconstructive surgery, that's good. That's good plastic surgery. But the elective ones, right, like plastic boobs or boob reduction, all that stuff, we are against that. Or making your nose high, double eyelid. I mean, double eyelid surgery that's popular in Korea, it has some good benefit. What I'm saying is, some people have to go through this double eyelid surgery because their eyelash is poking on their eye. Then yeah, you need that for medical reason. Okay, but for cosmetic double eyelid surgery, which is hugely popular in Korea, I am against it. Okay, making your nose high or cut your bone, chin bone, I am against it. Or making your boobs bigger, smaller, I'm against that too. Okay, liposuction, well, it may have some value. Okay, if somebody's just too heavy, maybe liposuction may help. If somebody's just way too heavy, but my recommendation would be diet and exercise, because unless you change your lifestyle into diet and exercise, you'll regain the weight after liposuction. You'll gain it right back. Then what are you gonna do? Another liposuction? Come on. So that's the problem with all this medical issue where we, healthy people, are subsidizing unhealthy people. We, diligent people, we diet and exercise. The insurance premiums that we pay because we never go to hospital, we are always healthy. It all go to these lazy people who eat diet, who eat sugar and fat, who never exercise, fat people, sick people. We are subsidizing for them. That's like communism, socialism, right? Take money from the rich and give it to the poor, the lazy. Take money from the diligent and give it to the lazy. That's communism, right? Injustice. They need to change. Okay. Anyway, yeah, we're doing mathematics, so. Okay. So we care about form, what shape, how it looks like. Yeah, they are all mathematically equivalent, but it does matter. Okay, so for example, let's say another morphological function, let's say a remainder. Okay, so remainder in terms of 3, okay, of number 10. What is that? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. Okay, so that's the transformation. We are transform. We are change the form. Morphology. Okay. Yeah. So that we reveal what the remainder of this number 10 is when it comes to divider of 3. Okay. So it's a morphological function. Okay. So that's the concept of morphological function, and then because we needed this to prove our theorem, what's that? T homomorphism theorem. Okay. Yeah, I mean homomorphism. It means same form. Homomorphism, same form. So yeah, it's isomorphism, endomorphism, automorphism. So in group theory, okay, or in topology. Okay, so yeah, the form does matter. Okay. So it's only natural for us that we focus on form as opposed to substance. Okay, so this is kind of brand new approach because I know enough mathematics to know that this hasn't been tried before. Emphasis on form over mathematical expression. Maybe it has, but at least it's not mainstream mathematics. It's not very widely accepted or generally accepted practice. Emphasis on form of mathematical expression. Okay. Let's take a break, okay, and then we get to nitty gritty of our objective, okay, to prove that the function t for transformation, is actually homomorphic. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, we'll uh, make some progress in there. Okay, without digressing too much. All right, let's take 5 minutes break. Okay, I'll be right back. You will be right back too. Hopefully. Okay, so yeah, let's take 5 minutes break. Okay. All right. Get some fresh Alaskan oxygen. Okay. So we did. I think we did enough mathematics. Okay, let's get back to politics a little bit. We're gonna. I mean, you are in humanology. Humanology is about humans, and also we. Our position is that microcosmos, macrocosmos equivalence. Okay. Humans are microcosmos of the universe, and universe is the macrocosmos of human being, Homo sapiens. Okay, so uh, I want to rhyme. Okay, Homo sapiens, macrocosmos, microcosmos, equivalence. I try to rhyme. Okay. Oh, you snake! Why are you hissing like that? I mean, doesn't Jesus have two S's? I'm bad. Maybe I'm too bad to be president, huh? Well, state senate, whatever. So why am I running for state senate? Would I like to be called a senator? Sure, they will sound very nice. Hey, senator, senator. Yeah, it'd be cool. I refer to them when I see them as senators. Whatever. So, if somebody asks me, why are you running against Senator so and so? Why do you want to replace that senator? I don't have nothing against him, okay? So, or her. It's just that that senator, yeah, I think he's doing fantastic job. Okay, he's good politician, but I think I would make an excellent politician. Okay, so because he's too average, all right? He's not making any bold moves. He's just going along with the Republican Party line. Okay, just getting along. Okay, he's kind of bland. I'm not that. I'm very spicy. Okay, uh, yeah, it's nothing against him, right? I think he's doing fine job, but I think I can do better, and I can be more spicy and bold, creative. Okay, so I think I can do better job than he does, and otherwise, if I believe otherwise, I wouldn't be running. All right, so just like any candidate. Okay, so but you just want some privilege as a state senator. You want to be called as a senator, right? What, you want to get more girls? Hmm? No, 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 it's not that. It's just that I like politics because do I want to be in control? Not really, because I won't be in control. You will be, because I'll be listening to you. You are the voters. You will be my bosses. Yeah, you will email me and I will make it happen. Okay, I'll be your voice in Juno. Okay, I'll be working for you. It will be about you, not me. I'll do my job. Okay, so my ego isn't that big, if you can believe me. So give me one second. I gotta wash my face. Yeah, so I won't be just average politician, okay? That you hackneyed, banal, this boring. No, I won't be one of them, okay? I will be an exceptional politician. I will be entertaining you because I know how to dance, I know how to joke, genuinely so, genuinely. I'll be funny. You like it when I'm up there, when you see me on TV, radio, when you listen to me I will entertain you because I used to be an actor, okay, in Los Angeles, California. I know how to entertain, okay, so. And I used to be a computer programmer too. I'm a problem solver. Troubleshooting, right? Yeah, IT. That was my job for 2 decades. I know how to solve problems. And I've been to law school, okay? I know law. I know the laws, okay? So, yeah, as a legislator, yeah, I make it work for you, okay? You're my clients, my voters. So, yeah, I will work on behalf of you, represent your interests. I know how to do that. I know how to do that, okay? So, yeah, yeah, so you'll be well taken care of, okay? All right, let's get back to mathematics now, okay? So, I, this whiteboard is kind of far away, so I gotta bring this close because it's unnecessary that this whiteboard is so far away. Okay, so what? Okay, good enough. All right. So you have two numbers. Okay. A is equal to uh, 18. B is equal to 24. Okay. It's just a number, right? But we are going to conduct morphological transformation, prime factorization. Okay, so we'll just call it M. Okay, M for morphological transformation. Okay, so M of that is prime factorization. Okay. So yeah, and also lexicographical ordering. All right. So 2 times 3 to the second, right? 2 to the third times 3 to the first. Okay. Well, 2 to the first. Okay. So yeah, that's the morphological transformation. Okay. M. We do lexicographical ordering like ascending order or prime factorization, order primes, and we specify explicitly when it's 1, we write 1. Okay? But this is not a good example. I'm sorry. Let's do 50. 50, okay? Then 2 to the first times 5 to the second, okay? Now, we talked about another morphological function that we called E for expansion, right? We are expanding. Now, we are expanding A toward B. What is that? What does B have that A does not have? 5, right? So we leave everything the same within A, but we add one more and we express it at 5 to the 0th, okay? E of B toward A, we are adjusting B toward A, okay? We are accommodating A, but B, this it stays the same. 2 to the first times 5 to the second times 3 to the 0th, okay? You see? And we had another function where it's a distinctive prime counting function. We call it D. D of 18. How many distinctive different prime factors are there? 2, right? 2 and 3. So this is 2. Again, this is not a good example. Okay, so E. We're gonna multiply by 7. Okay, so 350. Okay, so I'm sorry. 350. Okay. E. Okay. So D of 18, there are only two primes, okay, and D of 350, okay. 7 times 50. Alright. Yeah, how many prime numbers are there in prime factorization? There are 3 of them, alright? So that's the D function. Okay? It's not morphological function. What function is this? It's just traditional Diophantine function. It only deals with natural numbers, okay? Positive integers. Okay? Yeah. Whew. Well, we can. So D is not morphological function, okay? It strictly counts the prime factors, okay? It does not count 5 to the 0, 7 to the 0, but we can have morphological version of this D function. Alright, we're gonna call it what? D underline, I guess. Okay, so here we are counting, it's a morphological version of this D function. So we're gonna actually count all the prime factors that is expressed in this form. Okay, that's expressed in this expression, right? So we call it let's call it D bar. All right, D bar. Okay, so okay, so how many prime numbers are expressed in this mathematical phrase? Yeah, because morphology is a linguistical term, so we'll do some linguistics. Okay, mathematical phrase. Whole thing is a mathematical sentence because you have equality here. It can be inequality too, larger than whatever, right? Whole thing is a mathematical sentence. A part of that is a mathematical phrase. In this mathematical phrase, yeah, linguistical mathematics. That's what we are doing. Linguistical mathematics. Okay. In this mathematical phrase, how many prime numbers are expressed expressly, explicitly? Okay. Yeah, so we call it D bar. Okay, so D bar, morphological version of this distinction function. Okay, of 18 now is 4. Okay, and D bar of 350 is also 4 because these two guys A and B, they are adjusting to each other, accommodating to each other. Okay, so well, instead of you putting 18, I should put because I should express the history of this. Okay, E of A and B. Instead of doing 350 because it wipes out the history, we want to retain some history, okay? E of B and A, okay? Where A is 18 and B is 350, okay? So let's write that, okay? What is A? 18. B? 350, okay? What's B? 350. What is A? 18, okay? So very cool, very cool. Okay? Good. I like this. I'm kind of tired now. It's been what 37 minutes. Yeah, I think I need to eat something and go back to bed. I am sleepy, okay? So we're gonna take 5 minutes break and we did enough mathematics tonight, okay? So we're not gonna do any more mathematics. Let's take 5 minutes break and then we may talk about something else, okay? Okay. I have to go, yeah, I think I gotta go back to bed and take a nap. Okay, so maybe eat something. So I'll be right back, okay? I'm sleepy. Baby's gotta sleep to grow up, right? So yeah, I'm a baby. Okay, we are back. I mean, I was reading the news in Bing. Most likely, it's Bing. So Bing has this web browser by Microsoft, Seattle, Washington, right? I think they're doing better job than Google nowadays. Okay, because they have the Bing picture of the day. I love those beautiful pictures. Google Doodle, lame, right? Yeah, I mean Google may perhaps is original, right? Original. Yeah, this Google search engine. There were computer science PhDs. They dropped out, just like I did. I wrote this computer science PhD. I dropped out of computer science PhD to become an actor. Okay, but Google people in Stanford, they dropped out to make this movie. I mean, not movie, but that's me to make this movie. But Google people, they dropped out to make this company. Company movie, it kind of rhymes that way. But yeah, they become billionaires, whatever, right? They are the originals. This intelligent search engine, they use this linear algebra, this fancy mathematics, and it worked. Okay, but mostly the Google search engine, I know a little bit about it. Okay, so yeah, there's some linear algebra, higher mathematics, okay, involved there. I did learn some when I was doing computer science PhD. I learned a little bit. I got a glimpse of it. Okay, but mostly it's based on pre-computation, web crawler. I have programmed web crawler once. It's not hacking. No, it's just this computerized the software algorithm. You just go look for random websites to extract some information, like Perl, pattern recognition language, Perl, Perl. Yeah, I know Perl. Okay. Yeah, web crawler. I did program rep, web crawler on the spot. I was taking this interview in Los Angeles. They ended up not hiring me, but I did program web crawler on the spot in this interview, probably within 30 minutes. Because I was very competent computer programmer. Okay, I did program it and it worked. Okay, I think I programmed it in Java. Java. Okay, why did they name this program language as Java? Because I guess they drink coffee, you know. Yeah, it's the symbol coffee cup, steaming, Java. Okay, whatever. Okay, so yeah, it's pre-computation. They have this program web crawler. They visit random websites, extract information based on pattern recognition, like you clean star, that kind of what regular expression, regex, right? Yeah, I learned all that stuff. Okay, so yeah, so and they store the information, so they kind of pre-compute and store that for common words like Apple. Yeah, I mean Google. What they do is even before a person type in apple, even before anybody even look for that word Apple, they already look for Apple and find out all the listing, all the websites that's related to Apple. Okay? And then when somebody later on type apple, they just present that pre-existing, pre-computed list of websites that relate to Apple. And they have ranking system, right? Based on is apple, is it on the title or in the text? Or is it in the website address itself? And how many links are coming in pointing to this website, and how many links are pointing outward, the inward, outward web link. Yeah, I know about it. Okay, because I majored in computer science. Okay, and I also did 2 years of graduate study in computer science. So yeah, I know a lot about it. Okay, I'm very tech savvy. Okay, so yeah, because that's what I used to do for a living for two decades. Okay, so and I'm proud of that technological background, IT. Okay, yeah, I'm very grateful and proud of my background. Okay, so yeah, honoring my parents kind of thing. Okay, so yeah, I don't think there is anything else that I want to talk about tonight. But at the same time, do I just want to go to bed and sleep? No, maybe I watch some Twilight Zone episode. I don't know. 'Cause- So yeah, I went to this state office to file for my candidacy for state senate, and uh, to me it's an interesting brand new hobby because I learned a lesson. Okay, maybe I was too idealistic, not realistic. Okay, uh, so people told me from the very get go when I was running for president. I first decided to run for president. Hey, you should start small because that's not gonna work. It's just wishful thinking. You need to grow up. Yeah, run for some local election instead. And I didn't hear them. I didn't listen to them. I ran filed for presidential candidate anyway. So and I don't regret it. I'm still running. Okay, and I will continue to run. Because I'm naive and stupid enough to believe in miracle. Okay, so but today I filed for not bankruptcy, not bankruptcy, but state senate in Alaska. Okay, I declared my candidacy, and I mean it was very well streamlined process, and the filing fee was something I can afford. Okay, so under $100. Okay, that's all I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so yeah, I could afford that, and yeah, so I did file, and then I think it was the right thing to do because time was right and ripe. Because I know a lot of local politicians, political activists, politically important people, and in my locale, I guess I'm fairly well known because I dress nice, I run outside, and so people see me running. Okay, so yeah, and I sometimes I go to karaoke, I go to dance club, and then yeah, I dance, sing and dance. So yeah, I'm fairly well known in my community. So I think I do have a good chance. Okay, so it may happen. All right. Yeah, I may become Alaska State Senator next year. All right. Uh, yeah, it'd be cool. I would like that. So okay, let's wrap it up. Okay, so thank you and good night. God bless. Okay, thank you. Bye.